niggas stay like. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pitsy, pitsy, please, baby.
Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is December 31st and yeah, I'm doing a vlog on what I do. So far it's like 2 o'clock and yeah, 2 or 3, and I done got dressed and everything already, which I should have recorded me getting ready, like, but I didn't. And so I really don't know what I'm doing today. Like, I'm going by my friends and by my boyfriend, that's about it, and to my grandmother's house, that's about it. But like, I ain't doing nothing too special. Pop a little fireworks, maybe, because last year I did not pop fireworks at all. Like, at all. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. I got this shirt from Walmart, and then some jeans, and then some yellow Crocs, and then I got these what are they called, fishnet socks on, and my yellow Crocs, and I'm gonna put on a clear belt, and I wish I had some bracelets, but I don't have any. Like, I know wear jewelry like that. Like, I'm surprised I even put this on. And then I'm wearing my, I know this your ring finger, but like, this the only finger it could fit on except for my pinkies. And then this finger is jammed, so I can't put it on here yet. But when it get unjammed, I'm gonna put it on the right finger. But until then, I guess I'm married. I'm still at home. My boyfriend is he went out of town real quick, but he's coming back. I might go by my one of my best friends until he gets back. I'm gonna come back when I'm actually doing something, because right now I'm just sitting down. Yeah, I'm gonna get back when I leave, y'all. And it's finna rain, like, really, it's finna rain. Like, it's dark outside. The sky is gray. It's finna rain. Because 2021 is finna be the best year of my life. I don't care about the coronavirus. I don't care about none of that. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna come back when I'm actually doing something. Hold up, y'all. I just had to show y'all how good this light look when you put the camera like behind the ring. Like stop. Let me take this out. Like, stop playing with me. This light looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures.
Wait.
Oh! What, you don't know it? Say hey.
Hi.
Yeah, she cut her hair. Isn't it cute? Why you smacking so?
You wanna get smacked on YouTube? I'm tired, black.
Y'all, so I'm to McDonald's. I just left home. I'm going by my friend's house, by Bree's house. That's one of my best friends, but I'm going by her house. So I'm going by her house for a little while, and I don't know what we're gonna do, because they're not really doing nothing. They are cooking, but the food's not gonna be ready till later. But I'm just going by her, and I'm gonna play with the dog and stuff. And I'm finna get some food right now, just because I never ate today at all, actually. And it is 4 o'clock. But yeah, I'm finna get some food. I'm to McDonald's, and it's raining outside. It was just raining like super hard when I left my house. It was raining so hard, but it's calm now. It's just drizzling a little bit, but yeah, it was raining. And I'm finna get some food. I made chicken with cheese and a medium fry and a strawberry banana shake. I'm gonna put my phone right here.
Yeah, the McChicken and the medium fry is $6.60.
And it had a strawberry banana.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. I need to get one of them things so I can put my phone like in the vents, so I can do like a job with me. But my job, boring. This sun is so pretty right here. So I got my food, and yeah, I'm finna go to Bree's house, and I'm gonna see how when I get there, cause I'm finna play the music off my phone. So yeah. So I'm to my friend's house, and look at her puppy. Yeah. It's a boy, and his name is Harley. Yeah, so freaking cute. Okay. I know you're excited to see me. I can't wait till I get a puppy. I'm gonna vlog it. Come on, go take a picture. Be still, be still.
I mean, I got from Sheila.
This is a breed.
Oh, wait. We vlogging. Hold on. Hold on. She vlogging. Hey, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Doreen.
Rena on the phone. She's over there because, I don't know why she's over here.
So
She's just bored.
this is Harley. Oh, I already told her. I told her. I was recording earlier when I was on the couch. What's wrong with his ear? Oh.
I was just looking up.
Yeah, at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's gonna look better.
Yeah, maybe tonight.
So y'all, now on to my other friend house.
Yeah, I'll be devastated.
She nobody dressed, like really nobody dressed. It's like
just way
it's like 6 o'clock.
later from now, guys.
Kaylee? What? We're not doing nothing still. We finna go get her friend.
Yeah.
Took us to our house, back to our house.
Stop playing, what the fuck is that?
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean. Eat. Ugly.
So y'all, we at a party right now.
We scared to walk in. We don't know who gonna walk in first.
Look, Marla.
Oh, somebody got that scoop.
She gonna walk in first.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And they got a lot of people in the front, y'all. Y'all heard?
So it is 11:50 and we left the party. I can't see. And we left the party and now we're at her house again.
It's 6 minutes left. It's on the countdown to 2021. 6 minutes and 4 seconds, y'all.
Where?
In the corner. Oh, the clock, it changed.
Yeah. The party was okay, I guess. It's cold. Where you going, Brie? Oh, y'all doing too?
Yeah.
Oh my god. My camera's getting late. Oh, all you can hear is fireworks. That's a gun. That's a gun. That's a gun.
Happy New Year!
They flew through that gun.
Got some of my eyes.
New Year with my pick. New Year, new me. That last Oh, they couldn't do another one.
Man, I'm gonna pop out.
Oh, it sounds so amazing. Is that Asia? Oh! Asia! Oh, I'm shaking. It's cold.
You need me to cover it?
Y'all hear that? Yo, this so... Somebody got a bunch of flowers. Damn. That was my finger.
And that's why I off my finger. Come on, kid. Yeah! Oh, there you go. Break! Happy New Year! Oh my God! Oh my God, that scared me. I thought the firework went in my face, bro. How you do this?
Pull the string like this, look. What's that for, mama? That ain't your mama. See, watch yourself in here.
Oh. What would you think it close for? Wait. Let me see up ahead in the head. For real? Y'all playing around.
Oh, I swear, if it's not enough.
That was loud.
We sharing one lighter. Why he not this?
It don't work? Oh! 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 I'm dumb. Oh my freaking God! Oh my God!
My ears ringing.
Oh my God!
My ears ringing.
My head hurts.
A video you. Are you supposed to put it like this?
Yeah.
Look, y'all. The lighter.
You got the wrong lighter.
Why are you trying to run away from
She tried to run. Oh, I can't see.
Wait, hold up.
Woo! Shake it, shake it.
Make sure
Then
that's
it's done. Now throw it on the ground. Stuff going in my eye. I know, I can see. Good card.
Oh.
Okay, you don't want to be by me, right? You could go.
Renegade.
Oh, he wants to be by me.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, so I'm driving home, and I'm trying to see what's going on. Like, do y'all see all these cars out here? The light is green, ain't nobody moving, literally. Like, what are they doing? Cause I'm not trying to get in nothing right here. I'm trying to get home. The police is here. I still don't know what's going on, and I just passed that light. I was just at like I don't know what's going on. I think they had like a party right here or something. I'm just sitting here. I could have been home by now. I'm just waiting. They have like buku cars right there trying to turn on this street. I don't know if you can see, but they got people falling on the ground. Man, my windshield dirty. Oh my God. I hope she's okay. But y'all, like, we went around at that light. The police made us turn. And then, like, I'm trying to get back on that street because I don't know where I am. Like, come on, I just want to go home. I just want to go home. I pray nothing happens where they need an ambulance, because the ambulance is not getting through here. Like, really. And they need them out the way before they get ran over. Yeah, they got like buku bus trying to holler at that guy. Yo, please pray for these people. Please pray for these people. Like, and then they had this big truck trying to get past. Y'all can barely see all my tent, but
Hey y'all, so yesterday I forgot to record. I didn't really do nothing but take a shower and go to sleep, but I still forgot to record, and I didn't think about it until I was already in my bed. Since I didn't do like an outro, I just wanted to come here and do that. I had fun yesterday. I was supposed to go to my grandmother's after I left my friend, but I was too tired, so I just came home. But they're gonna come out here anyways, and we're gonna go eat out and stuff. But the only thing that I wish is that my boyfriend came back in time. Like I told y'all, he went out of town and he didn't get back until I was already in my bed. Who goes on a 3-hour road trip at 7 o'clock and expect to get back before 12? But yeah, I missed him, and my friend gave me a New Year's kiss. So yeah, but I had fun with my friends. Happy New Year's again, and I wish the best for everybody this year. Y'all better make this y'all year. Stop slacking, like pick it up. Pick up them grades, get closer with your family, like do all the things that you want to do. Start them businesses, just do it all. Do it all. Go all out this year, y'all. Get that car you want, get that apartment you want, get that house you want, get that puppy you want. I'm getting a puppy this year, I promise you. But yeah, do everything y'all want to do. Like I said again, y'all, Happy New Year's. Have a blessed year. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Mwah.